Shout out bro, he keep shit quiet like a mouse. Tell that bitch to cut her low off when she come right to my house. She asked me why I leave, I couldn't give a reason.
What's good,
ain't fucking with these bitches, you got to see it to believe it. Ain't fucking with these hoes, cause all my mama bitches burnt. I probably lied, cause I fucked up a couple times, but never learned. And that's just.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 5.7 Ken. They gonna be changing the headlights, you feel me? Y'all see that bitch back there sitting, you feel me? Y'all, hold on. I'll show y'all what I got. Got the bumper on the inside. As y'all can see, feel me? And I got the headlights right here. Got the headlights. Oh my God. You feel me? As y'all can see. But hey man, we finna get right into it, man. Let's get it. Alright y'all, first thing first, take out these plastic tabs on both sides. Both sides, 2 of those. First thing first, I'm gonna get this screw right here. Get that one, pop that tab out, and then grab that one right there. See me, I'm finna grab those now.
Three hours later.
So it's a 9-32. I don't know if y'all can see that. 9-32. That's the socket for this. Go ahead and get these babies on. All right, one bolt out, y'all. Alright, 2 bolts on the sides. And you should have a middle tab. Alright, got these 2 pieces out, y'all. Just keep going. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, we got a bolt right there. Well, it's not even a bolt, but clip, plastic clip right here, plastic clip at the bottom, and inside here. That's where you're gonna take that bolt off right there for to pull your bumper off. Let's get into it. There's one, y'all. There's 2, just like that. And we're gonna take this bolt off right here. little screw out. They say you got pins right here.
Three hours later.
Alright, one side done. Let's do the same thing on this side.
What good, YouTube? I just wanted to come up here and let y'all know that I knocked out the first side with y'all, but the second side is going to be on y'all, you feel me? So make sure y'all get the 2 clips, the 2 push pins, and then it's going to be 1 screw at the top, you feel me? And that's all you need. Let's get it.
Alright, so what we looking at, we got 2 bolts right here, 1 right there, 1 right there, and we got some at the bottom. Y'all can see that one missing, but 1 right there. Let's take those out.
Sorry, y'all, about the noise in the background, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the volume down a little bit.
Alright, so this bottom piece right here gotta be screwed on to this one. Figure out what I'm finna do.
Alright, y'all, I didn't show me screwing the headlights back on because it's simple. All you do is put the 4 bolts back exactly where you took them out from when you took off the factory headlight. But screw in those 4 bolts and then your headlight gonna sit flush.
Static on the track, bro.
I whip out this Glock, I'ma squeeze it. Nigga don't try me, get sent to the Reapers. I start shit like you was creepers. I on the bad, been trapping, I'm posting no visas. Spinning your block, this heater, get hit up. Nigga, it was nice to meet you. So many shells in this Glock, make a nigga have a seizure. Make a nigga meet his people. Why would he tweet with the Twiggies? He tried to step and got put in the sleeper.